where value evolves next. Welcome to Valnex Advisors. Are you ready to grow your wealth and secure your future? At Valnex Advisors, we help your money work smarter, not harder. Financial consultancy. Not sure where to start with your finances? Our financial consultancy services guide you step by step, whether it's planning, investments, or wealth management. Management consultancy. Is your business reaching its full potential? With our management consultancy, we optimize your operations and strategy so you can focus on growth and innovation. Investment options. Looking for reliable ways to invest? We offer a range of investment options to match your goals. Mutual funds, grow your wealth with expert-managed portfolios. Life insurance, protect your loved ones and future. RBI bonds and debentures, safe, fixed-income investments. NPS and FD, long-term security with stable returns. Whatever your goal, we have a solution tailored just for you. Call to action. Ready to take the next step? Connect with us today at valnexadvisors@gmail.com and let's plan your financial journey together.